in the hope that they will hear me. I salute the struggling people of Kashmir, defending their hearth and home, defending their fields and their crops, defending their way of life, defending their mothers, their wives, their sisters, their daughters, defending their dignity and honor. I salute the families of the martyrs. I salute those held in their scores of thousands in the dungeons of that occupation, some of whom have been freed today by militant action by the freedom fighters in Kashmir. Glory be to God. I salute all of the people of the occupied land in their resistance. And as long as one of them is still resisting, I am certain that all of the people of Pakistan and all of the freedom lovers of the world will stand by them, will struggle to come to their side, to their aid. The picture is, of course, not bright. The suffering, especially in these last 100+ days, has intensified. We heard from Ambassador Sheikh earlier that the apples may not even be harvested, that the saffron cannot be sold. People are hungry. People are without medicine, cannot travel. They have been switched off, blacked out, cut off from the rest of the world. Even their own families do not know whether their relatives are alive or dead.